Hi, I'm George Dowd from Newedge for MrTopStep.com from the floor of the CME Group. Today I want to talk a little bit about my favorite currency to dislike, which is the euro. We talked a couple weeks ago about it. We're talking about looking for more downside if we got down through the kind of 129.95 level. We had a couple of important economic events over the last couple of days. On Friday we had non-farm payrolls. Not a great number, but the dollar was still pretty stable in light of that. And then we had some elections in Europe over the weekend. Most notable was France, which was a sizable move to the left. Germany, Italy, and Spain also had elections, and the general theme across all four countries was kind of an anti-austerity vote. The euro suffered from that. We came in during the Sydney session a lot lower. We traded down through that 129.95 level. We made a low in fairly light liquidity conditions during Sydney at 129.55 and then rallied right up above 130, which is sort of where we sit right now. So going forward, I think we've got some downside risk here in the euro. I think we sort of missed our opportunity for good location, which I thought was anywhere in that 130 to 135 range, and preferably towards the middle of that range to get some shorts on. But I think we're still going to go lower. My next target on the downside is 126.25, which were the old lows. And then we have a few more data points coming up this week. So Thursday we've got the initial claim numbers. We're looking for some confirmation that the non-farm payrolls numbers were either an outlier or that the labor market's weak, and I think we'll take some direction either way from that. And then on Friday we've got the PPI numbers. So the year-on-year number's been coming down pretty good over the last maybe 6 to 9 months. I wouldn't be surprised if that continued. And if that happens, we could see a little bit of weakness in the dollar on the back of the potential for a little more QE, or at least easier conditions in the US for a longer period. So if that happens and we get a little push up in the euro, maybe a good opportunity to set some shorts. But going forward, I think we're looking for more downside in the euro, and my next target's, like I said, that 126.25 level. Live from the floor of the CME Group for Mr. Top Step, I'm George Dowd from Newedge.